So guys, I'm finally back in Razgrad and the TDS has some changes to it, and there are a lot of things that Živko has fixed, has changed. So I'm gonna show it to you in this little montage and then we can talk about it. Kot posel se šteje. So as you saw, it has new headlights, it has the yellow tint on the long beams. She also has angel eyes now, and headlights, the right door handle is fixed now. He also told me that he changed the rear springs, so it's a bit higher now, but it looks good still. Also, the main thing, the wheels, they are 18s by I don't know how much, but they are pretty wide, and I think they look very good on this car. It also has a boost meter, and apparently the last owner has tuned it a bit, which means a bar and a half, which is, it still runs, so it's gonna be fine, right? Other than that, small things are fixed. The door cards are now back in their place, so no more comments from the guy at the Pregled, at the MOT, I don't know, the MOT thing, I don't know. Živko's e46 is finally getting an engine, and it's been, to be honest, maybe even a full year, so yeah, glad to see that this project is coming around. It's gonna be a 3-liter, not the 2.5 that it was. The engine is from an e60, so it should be in better shape than the e46 engine. But we're gonna see. I guess I'm probably just gonna film and help with some little things. Enjoy this video and let me know down in the comments what do you want to see more. So guys, update on the E39. It's still broken. Tried putting it back together. It blew the radiator, so now I'm searching for an engine.
čakaj.
So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys soon, I hope. Let me know what do you think of these videos. Do you enjoy them? I sure do enjoy making them and practicing my English and practicing talking to a camera, except when it's Benete. But yeah, it's fun for me to do them. Hope anyone enjoys them. Leave a comment down below. See you for real now. Epic transition to an outro that I haven't made.